evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So let's look at what happened today. So Nifty, coming to Nifty opened a gap up around 14,987 levels. It started to fill the gap in the morning, but then 15,000 was holding it and then started moving up, and then the final close was around 15,171. So the whole day, coming to the sectoral wise, if you see Nifty indices, banking index was rocking the show today. The entire day close to 1,272 points. All banks, HDFC, ICC, Kotak, Axis, everybody was rocking and all was in breakout zone. So 2 days they were consolidating, and yesterday and today they started rocking the show. SBN today SBN today had the results, so it was completely volatile, especially afternoon. So much volatile. From the morning it was gap up and holding 387, 388 levels, and afternoon it fell and close to 377 levels, and then again pushed up. I think 400 CE, which was trading at 9:10 in the morning, in the afternoon within just a 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes it went close to 4 and then again went back to 13. I think the lot size, yes, the lot size is 3,500. So again, that was a huge volatile day on PSU banks. So last week I think, yes, last week I had made a video on PSU banks and gave the levels. So please check the video. So I had mentioned as PSU banks had given the breakout. I had given in the levels of 370, 372, above 372 more. It will slightly move to these 400 levels. And yes, it has hit this and closed above that. So the next level will be 427 on this. All the banks were rocking. Bank of Baroda, the next target 130 levels. 96 and above 130 levels I'm expecting. PNB, PNB, yes, I'm expecting close to, in a long term, medium to long term, I'm expecting around 70 levels. So coming to Nifty again, you see the on our chart. See guys, see the intensity of the bullishness. See the volumes in that. Everything, there is not even a single candle which closed above the previous low. It was continuously flying. It was struggling in the morning to cross 120 levels, 110 levels. In the afternoon, once it crossed 116, then it was completely bullish. Bank Nifty has rocked the show. See, all Murabusu candles. So our star pick for the day is 33,200 C, around these levels. Yes, around these levels, 33,954 levels. We took it around 405 and still holding. So it was closed at 850 levels. So highly bullish. The outlook has completely changed. Yesterday I said this was just a expiry bearishness. So the contracts were getting close today, and that is the reason it was bearish yesterday. It was very clear, but the only thing we missed in the morning is we were expecting the gap to fill today morning, but then it was highly bullish, never turned back. It just kept on moving. HDFC Bank, the 2 days it was falling. See, there was a consolidation here. There was a resistance here. It fell down today. See, similar structure like Bank Nifty, ICC Bank. 23 points. HDFC Bank. If a bank like HDFC Bank is moving 64 points, easily 500, 600 points is on the cards. More than 500, 600 points is easy on the cards. VIX, look at VIX. It is below 20. It went till 17 levels. Now at 19 levels. Currently, SGX Nifty is trading at 15,171, which is 55 points lower. Dow Jones is 253, and Nasdaq is 2 points down. So let's look for Monday. The outlook on the open interest is Nifty. Nifty again has scattered open interest till 15,500 levels. And if you see, support is 15,100, 15,000 is having the huge support on that. Bank Nifty is having the next resistance at 35,000 levels and 35,500 levels. Support is 34,000, is having a huge support. This is the outlook on the open interest. If you see the FIA data, both were buying today, DAs and FIAs. Yesterday I said FIA has reduced their positions to 3%. Today they increased to 7%. So again they are back on track. 60% longs and hedged with 50% put shorts. I mean, like index long 60% and shorts were those levels. So they are now more than retailers. They are highly bullish FIAs, especially on the index. So I'm expecting Monday market to open around 15,200 levels if there is no negative news in the weekend. But then again, our market is highly bullish. It is going to break all the barriers in coming few weeks. In the first video I had said I'm expecting 16,000 levels in 5 to 6 weeks. The flight has already taken off, so we have to just ride with the trend. Any dips should be bought, and that is the trend now. So coming to stock specific actions, PSU banks. So today our picks were Chola Finance rocked the show. See guys, I was saying I will expect at least 20 points, 10 to 20 points. So the same. All our picks were, the entire day it was in green. Useful. Please like and subscribe, and please press the bell button. Thanks guys.